Welcome to AlphaCars Showroom. My name is Dimitri and I'm reporting from our Boxborough location. Together, we're gonna look at 2022 Royal Enfield Himalayan. This is a nice bike that we actually just sold, and it has a couple of accessories that I would say top 3 most popular, most functional accessories. Let me show you those. First are the engine guards. You can see them. Here is one on the right side, and here's one on the left side. We also have panniers. Those are very, very popular, very well made, highly functional. And they are substantial. And the third one are your hand guards. Check them out. We've been selling them for a long time. They fit awesome on the Himalayans. They enhance the look and they protect your hands. How can it go wrong? Since we're looking at 2022, we're going to mention some nice changes that Royal Enfield factory introduced for US market. One is this little load rack has been reduced in height to make it easy to get on and off the bike. For convenience, also, the perimeter of the front protection guard was changed, and instead of going like this on the previous years, they made it like that. So it's a nice look, and it also helps with the knees for tall people. Another one is this little new gauge. It's the same one that you see on the Meteor, and this one will connect to your Google Maps, which is great. And since we are here at the motorcycle, let's see if we can get it started. Oops. It's not really a choke, it's a idle out. The bike is fuel injector. So, great looking bike, great running bike, highly functional, very, very affordable. We sell so many of the Himalayans, it is unreal. You can't go wrong. It costs more than entry-level bicycles these days. I'm sorry, the entry-level bicycle will cost you more, not to mention some fancy ones. So, there are awesome color combination. Here's one. Here's another one next to it. I like this one a lot. Check this out. Here's another gray one. And since we're in the Royal Enfield topic, here is the Continental 650. We have a few Meteors. Some of these bikes are sold. We're just storing them. Here's the Int 650. And another Meteor in a gorgeous color. And for those of our viewers that don't know, we are one of the largest Ural dealers, and we have phenomenal line of custom designed and custom made Ural accessories. Speaking of accessories, we're working on the tow hitch, and you can see work in progress. And there's something else we're working on. I shouldn't show it to you, but I will, since you're subscribing to the channel. If you're not, please do. We're working on this food box, and it was supposed to be released this summer, but we knew of the changes for 2022, so we held off on the release, and we're doing final modifications to allow the high mount exhaust to work on the 2022 and newer and 2022 and older bikes. The cool thing about this food box is not only it's convenient for your food, as you can see, it can stand, but it also makes it really cool to engage your brake pedal. And we design all aspects of it. It's still work in progress, so your thoughts are very welcome. We even changed the angle of some of these grippy things. They're not flush, they're sticking up, so when you're braking, your foot wouldn't slip. Look at the close-up. You see how they're sticking out? Yeah, this is a really cool thing. We've been riding our test bike with this for a while, and it's really, really cool. So you can definitely keep an eye on our e-store website, and it will become available soon. So thank you very much for viewing this video from AlphaCars and Motorcycles. This is our Boxborough location, and my name is Dimitri. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking the like button. Thank you very much for viewing this video.